Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, Dave Dare, Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Let's take a look at the s-132 GPS brushless motor dual camera drone with obstacle avoidance. Okay, the remote here we have sideward flight, to the right, to the left. Up is forward flight, down is backward flight. Throttle to take off, throttle down to land. Spin left, spin right. Okay, camera up and down on the front facing camera. This will move all the way down and back up. Okay, you have your gyro calibration, your speed setting, so you can go through your speeds, however many it has. This is your compass calibration, headless mode, unlock the motor mode to start the motors, GPS mode, so you can turn the GPS mode off or on, and then this is the power button, and here is your return to home button. You have indicator lights here that will light up when this is powered up. This will be GPS mode, this will be inside mode or non-GPS mode, return to home mode, and this is your charging light indicator. So when you charge this control, which is convenient, it has a rechargeable battery inside, this will indicate when you're charged. Okay, all right, so let's get this thing set up and let me show you how to do that. First, let's power on the drone with the power button on the bottom. There's your little bottom camera, optical flow sensor as well. Okay, and we'll turn the power on the remote. Always put your drone on a flat surface when you're actually going to fly, and have the camera facing away from you, facing forward. Okay, in this particular drone, you don't have to do anything to bind it. You don't have to throttle up and down. You don't have to do anything, which is nice. Okay, so if you're going to fly this indoors, this is how we're going to set it up. And since we're probably not going to get any satellites in here, maybe we will, maybe not. Just long press the mode button, and then you'll see the blue light light up the house with the arrow pointing in, which means indoors. And this one means outdoors, which is GPS mode, no GPS mode. Okay, so then to start the motors, you just simply hit the unlock button, and it should shut down. If you don't touch the joystick, then you just push up to take off, or hit the unlock button again and it would auto take off. And if you hit the unlock button while you're flying, it would land, auto land. And you can also do the same thing with the joystick. Okay, so that's how you start up the drone to go fly. Now let's hook it to the app. So now what we're going to do is take our phone, go into our Wi-Fi settings, and we'll refresh so we can pick up the drone's Wi-Fi signal, and we'll connect to that once we get it. Try this. Sometimes I have a little bit of trouble getting it to show up. I think it's just my phone. There it is. Okay, so you see the HF GPS 5G 88330008. So we're going to connect to that. Okay, now let's wait for our notification that asks if we're going to want to stay connected, because we have no internet. We're just connecting to the drone. There it is. Select yes, so you'll stay connected, and then we exit out of this. Okay, so then we're going to open up RX Drone, which is the app for the s-132. I got that from Google Play. Whoops. There we go. So we can put our phone there in the remote. Okay, then we'll hit play. You have your settings and things. You can go in and change different settings, calibrate the compass, which is something you would need to do before your first flight, sorry. Okay, here's how we calibrate the compass on the S-132. Press the compass calibration button, then spin the drone counterclockwise until you hear a beep. Camera up counterclockwise until you hear 2 beeps. And there you have it. It's the compass calibration. And you have your updates for the firmware, your GPS update, English language, whatever language you need. You can set it for 720 or 1080, which I'm set up for 1080. Snap settings. For your snapshots that we have, you can manipulate the controls if you want to. Okay, we don't need the GPS, is what that warning was. So we're going to shut that off, cancel it. Okay, it also gives you instructions on the app when you get it, but just hit play and you'll lock in, and now you can see what the drone's seeing. It's looking at my computer screen. So let's start that up. Try to get you a little bit brighter there. Sorry, it's too bad outside to fly outside. It's been raining for the last couple days. So this is the best I can do at the moment. There you go. It looks pretty good. Can't wait to check it out on a nice sunny day. Okay. Then, to take pictures, you have your camera button here. Took a picture, you even have a nice little sound there. Then you're recording video. Your counter pops up and you can see the red light flashing on the app. This drone does not take an SD card, so it's through Wi-Fi transmission from the drone to your phone. So that will record onto your phone. You just go into the app and go into the gallery on your app. You can look at all them pictures. I think when you exit out of this, you can go into your gallery right there. Okay. So there you go, guys. That's the S-132. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon next time.